In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most important things you need to understand about Telegram ads in Nigeria or in any country that you want to run Telegram ads from. This is the part 2 of the video I made, how to run Telegram ads in Nigeria, and this is actually going to give you some answers to most of the questions that a lot of people have been asking me inbox and on WhatsApp concerning Telegram ads. So if you're new to this video, why don't you click on that like button? It costs you nothing. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. Post about Google ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads. So if I see your reaction to this will actually motivate me to continue to post about Telegram ads. Now, number one, most important thing you need to know about Telegram ads is whenever you want to pay for your Telegram ads in Africa, Nigeria, or anywhere you're watching me from, you have to understand that Telegram does not charge in dollars. Telegram charges in TON, TON, and this TON is the cryptocurrency owned by Telegram itself, and the least amount you can pay into your Telegram ads account at once is 20 TON. So what you can do is to actually do the mathematics, right? You convert the 20 TON into USD, and from USD into Naira or pounds or whatever you want to convert it to, so you can know the equivalent you want to use in funding your account. Now, if you have been having problem with funding your Telegram ads account in Nigeria or anywhere you're watching me from, you can chat me on WhatsApp using this number on the screen. I will put you through, and any question you have about Telegram ads, we're going to be able to treat it. And now, the number 2 thing you need to know about Telegram ads, which a lot of people have been having concern about, is the approval process. Now, let's say you create your ads, you have to understand that it is actually going to take at least a week for them to be able to review your ad and approve your ad and for your ad to start running. This is when you have already had your 20 TON and create your ad. So anything that is more than a week or a week and a half, it is not actually normal. So you can chat me on WhatsApp. We'll know how to treat this and how to know what to do to this. Some people, they are actually trying to run an ad that is not acceptable by Telegram policy, so I can be able to put you through and know the best way to be able to create this ad so that they can actually accept this ad, and so that your ad can start running. Do you understand? So another thing you need to understand about Telegram ads is you can actually use your phone or your laptop. Okay, that is one of the best thing about Telegram ads, because that ads manager, which is that of Telegram, it is very, very lightweight, and it's not something that is that large as that of maybe like Google, Facebook, and Snapchat. Do you understand? So you have to understand that you can use your phone or your laptop. So whenever you are creating your Telegram ads, make sure that you only include channels that are only related to what you're trying to promote. Telegram ads is going to allow you to list out the channel you want your advert to show on. You must give out a Telegram link that is only related to what you post. I hope you understand what I'm saying, so you can get the most targeted audience for your niche.